Good morning to all. Today our topic is bones and muscles. You will now learn about skeleton and its functions, kinds of joints, kinds of muscles. Okay? Can you see a kite? Observe a kite carefully. You will see that a kite has an outer frame over which paper is tightly pulled. Similarly, our houses, buildings, cars, etc. all have a frame. A frame gives shape and strength to be the objects. In the same way, our skeletal system is a frame that gives our body shape and support. The skeleton and muscles together give shape and strength to our body. Now we will discuss one by one. First, we will discuss skeletal system. What is skeletal system? Skeletal system is a frame that gives our body shape and support. The skeleton and muscles together give shape and strength to our body. It is made of 206 bones and includes all the bones and joints in our body. It protects internal organs such as our lungs. It stores calcium needed to repair and strengthen our bones to make blood cells. Along with muscles, the skeletal system helps our body to move. Together they are called the musculoskeletal system. Now we will discuss different part of the skeletal system. Bones. Bones make up 14% of our total body weight. Bones are differ in size, shape and number. These are long bones, short bones, irregular bones and flat bones. Bones have to be strong enough to support us and light enough to let us move easily. Bones are connected together by flexible tissues called ligament. It is supplied with blood and nerves. That's why they grow as we grow older. The long bone of the body are filled with soft, fatty materials which is called bone marrow. Skull. A skull is a set of bones that make up the head of a vertebrate and keep in place all body parts in the head. It protects the brain. It provides support to the face. Our skull is made of two stages of bones. The bone of our face. 2. The bones that make up our forehead and the back of our head. Our brain is protected by 8 bones that are interlocked together. Our face is made of 14 bones. Our jaw bone is the largest and strongest bone in our face. It is also the only movable bone in the skull. It holds our lower teeth in place. We can move it to chew our food and to speak. Spine. The spine is also known as the backbone. The special S-shape helps prevent shocks and jerks to our head when we walk or run. It protects our spinal cord. It is made of 33 small bones called vertebrae. They are ring-like in shape. Rib cage. The rib cage is made of 12 pair of delicately curved bones. They are all joined at the back to the spine or backbone. Except the last two pairs, all the ribs are joined to the breastbone in the front. The last two pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. Hands and feet. There are 27 bones in each hand and 26 bones in each foot. Our arms are joined to the spine with the helps of shoulder blades and collarbones. The upper arm has a long bone called humerus. The lower arm has two bones called radius and ulna. The upper arm joins the lower arm at the elbow. The upper leg or thigh is made of a strong long bone called femur or thigh bone. Femur is the longest bone in our body. The lower leg has two bones called tibia and fibula. The upper leg meets the lower leg at the knee. Now joints. A joint where two bones meet together is called joint. What? A point where two bones meet together is called joint. There are two types of joints in our body: fixed or immovable joint and movable joints. Fixed or immobile joint. Some of our joints, like those in our skull, are fixed and do not allow any movement, that is immovable joints. Movable joints. Most of our joints are movable joints. They contain a liquid that makes movement easy. These joints are found mostly in our limbs or arms and legs, where movement is needed the most. There are different types of movable joints. 1. Ball and circuit joint. 2. Gliding joints. 3. Hinge joints. 4. Pivot joints. Okay. Muscles. Fleshy bundles of thin elastic materials in the body is called muscles. There are more than 640 muscles in our body. Muscles can shorten. They can pull, but they cannot push. There are different types of muscles in our body, such as voluntary muscle, involuntary muscles, cardiac muscles. Now we will discuss each of muscles, each type of muscles. First, voluntary muscles. The muscles that we can move and are under our control are known as voluntary muscles. Muscles of our hands, legs and face are example of voluntary muscles. We can dance or sit, smile or frown due to these voluntary muscles. Second, involuntary muscles. Some muscles are not under our control. They are known as involuntary muscles. They control the movement of food, flow of blood, movement of the eyes, etc. Third, cardiac muscles. Our heart works constantly without ever stopping to rest. It is made of cardiac muscles, which are also involuntary in nature. They are present only in the heart. Unlike other muscles, the cardiac muscles never get tired. I hope you understand this chapter.